Here I have HUAWEI Mate 20 and let me show you how to use date and time settings on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen, find and select the settings, then scroll down to the bottom of the list and choose system. So here from system, let's choose date and time, and as you can see here, you can use the automatic setting up the time, or you can disable this set automatically and you can set date and time. You can also choose the desired time zone. What's also really interesting, you can use dual clock to display two clocks when you are away from home. You can set up the home city, and also you can use 12-hour format if you would like to. So that's it, everything went well, thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.